Finally, the official news are starting to come out yesterday. Samsung posted the first teaser of their next Unpacked with the title of the video being Break the Rules of What's Possible. The teaser shows two phones circling around each other in the ocean, and then they merge into a single phone, a single squared phone, might I add, and then it reads, "Are you ready to break the rules?" And it ends with the Samsung logo. A new statement from tmro mentions that they're about to rewrite the rules of the industry once again, and that at their Galaxy Unpacked in February they'll introduce the most noteworthy S-series device they've ever created, and that the next generation Galaxy S brings the greatest experience of their Samsung Galaxy into one ultimate device. So if there was any doubt that this was what we were getting, yes, Samsung's Galaxy Note is coming back, and it'll be merging with the S-series S21 Ultra. The Galaxy S22 is likely to be a powerful handset, as we would expect from a next-gen flagship. It has been predicted to ship with either a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 in some markets, or an Exynos 2200-powered model for most international users. A report from the European publication Let's Go Digital placed the S22 as coming with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 in the US and parts of Asia and Africa, while Korea and the rest of the world get the Exynos 2200. Coupled possibly with the same RAM and storage amounts as the S21 range. That would mean up to 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage in the Ultra model, or 8 GB of RAM, and up to 256 GB of storage in the other models. We've seen a recent report hinting at as much as 1 TB of storage for the S22 Ultra. Mind. A leak suggests the Samsung Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus may come in white, black, pink gold, and green shades, while the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra might come in black, white, green, and dark red. As for the displays themselves, the S22 is said to be the smallest and will sport a 6.06-inch Full HD plus 1080p display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The Galaxy S22 Plus takes this up a notch with a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus display and a 120Hz refresh rate, and the S22 Ultra leads the pack with a pretty large 6.8-inch Quad HD plus 120Hz display. The Ultra will supposedly have Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, an enhanced and as yet unannounced version of Gorilla Glass Victus, as a way to guarantee additional protection. The Ultra is also said to be equipped with an LTPO display, meaning it can go between 1 Hz and 120 Hz. This means the phone can conserve battery by using the appropriate refresh rate for what is displayed on the screen. Samsung typically launches its S-series phones in March, but it bucked that trend in 2021 by launching the S21 line in January. The company usually follows a 12-month cycle of updating its handsets, so it's possible the S22 could be announced in January as well. Samsung held a CES pre-show keynote on Jan 4, and the company already took the wraps off the budget Galaxy S21 FE. But as we approach the end of the month, a January launch seems less likely. It's possible Samsung might want to give the S21 line a bit more breathing room. Leaker John Prosser speculates the Galaxy S22 will be revealed during a Samsung Unpacked event on Feb 8. A report from Korean publication D-Daily also speculated the Galaxy S22 will be announced on February 8. The report adds that the company's upcoming flagship phone lineup is said to be available for pre-order on February 9 and in stores starting February 24. A school of thought was that Samsung is likely to maintain it in the same lineup as the Galaxy S21. This means that the S22 could start at $800 for the base model, with the S22 Ultra going into the $1,000 plus range depending on the configuration, and the S22 Plus falling somewhere in the middle, according to the latest reports that Samsung is planning a price hike. Where Google has lowered the cost of entry for its premium Pixels and Apple has held the line on its iPhones, the company is reportedly opening the S22 line at $100 more than the previous models. The S22 would therefore be the cheapest from $900, while the S22 Ultra would start at $1,300 of course. Exchanges of carriers and similar agreements will end up driving down the real price, but these are fairly high initial prices. Finally, Samsung is said to be branding its wide camera as super clear lens. Lens flare has been an issue with some phones, including the iPhone 13. The reported super clear lens would use Gorilla Glass to reduce reflection and glare and improve image quality.